What is going on? How is everyone today? Today I am going to do a little bit of a different video. I am actually going to do an unboxing and review video. I've never done one of these, but I'm excited. I just got something in the mail recently that I figured, why not try to do one of these? So let's cut the crap, let's get into it. I got the newest pair of Yeezys. A little backstory, I've always wanted Yeezys. I've actually tried to get them in the past. Quite unsuccessful. They usually go really quick and I've kind of half-assed it. I'm not really a sneakerhead, nor do I really care too much about shoes, but I've always loved Yeezys. In fact, I've gotten shoes in the past that mimic the same style, so clearly I have a thing for what Yeezys look like. Just recently the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 has come out, and they've come out with their biggest release yet. I believe the number was around 1 million. I could be wrong, but it was way easier to get than it has in the past. And so I figured, why not actually try and get one? So I pulled the trigger, I did it, and I got myself a pair. So let's stop talking and jump right into this unboxing and review. Right off the bat, you have your standard typical shoebox right here. I actually thought this would be better quality of a box. I have gotten basketball sneakers that have a hardier box than this. Kind of feels flimsy and cardboard, but it's still cool. It still has the 350, the Boost. I was hoping it would say Yeezy or something, but it is what it is. Excuse me. Leo wants to help with this. Ow, come on. As you can see, it is just a standard slide box. Oh yeah. Excuse me. Get the other one out. Okay, right off the bat, first impressions, these things are clean, which is my biggest concern. I've never owned just completely white shoes, and they don't get much whiter than this. They do kind of have a cream sole, especially right here and then the bottom, but for the most part, they are about as white as you can get shoes. I'm so excited. Like I said, these are the first pair of Yeezys I've owned, so let's get right into the details of these. Okay, right off the bat, you can see that there is a cream stripe that I referred to. The bottom of the sole actually matches that cream in the middle. Inside you have the traditional Adidas 3 stripes. Going into the laces, these things are nice. I actually like how they came knotted, and I think I'm going to keep it that way. Another front view of the laces and the tongue. I love the stitching down the middle. I think it is so nice. This is the cream color that I was referring to earlier. As you can see in the spaces, the foam. Before I give my official review, it is time to try these babies on and give you a fit test. They are a little wide though. From the top view, they are a little wider than most shoes that I've had. So right away, my first con is that they are an all white shoe. I mean, I did know what I'm getting myself into. They're actually called the triple white. So in conclusion, if you have the opportunity to buy these and you have the extra money to get them, I know these are a little higher in retail than normal shoes, get them, treat yourself. Now, I wouldn't recommend getting these on resale, especially because these are not as valuable since they were a larger release. But if you can get them for retail value, do it. They're amazing shoes. They're so comfy. Oh my, they might be the comfiest shoes I think I've ever owned. And these things Look great, feel great, amazing. I'm so excited to wear them. I think I'm gonna have to do an update video to see what it's like having this wide of shoes and if I can keep them this fresh and clean. That is what I'm so nervous about. But I'm gonna do my best to keep these babies fresh. If you have any questions about these shoes or anything, let me know. Disclaimer, I am not a sneakerhead at all. Consider this review from a very basic average consumer. Yeah, so I think that's it. If you like this review and want to see me do more from tech gear to shoes to whatever, let me know, comment below. And yeah, until next time. Peace.